In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva templates for Pinterest pins. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to start a design that's perfectly sized for Pinterest, and how to quickly move from a blank screen to a beautiful ready-to-post pin. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account in your browser or app. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the top of the screen for the main button that lets you start a new design. It's usually labeled something like Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This is your starting point anytime you want to make a new graphic in Canva, whether it's for social media, a presentation, or in this case, Pinterest. When you click the Create button, a search bar or drop-down menu will appear, giving you different format options. In that search field, type in Pinterest pin. As you type, Canva will suggest design types that match what you're entering. Make sure you choose the option that specifically says Pinterest pin, not just a general social media post. This matters because Pinterest pins use a vertical format with particular dimensions that tend to perform better on the platform. Using the right size from the start helps keep your designs sharp and professional when they're uploaded. Once you see the Pinterest pin option appear in the list, click on it to select it. Canva will automatically open a new design tab or window using the standard Pinterest pin dimensions. On the left side, you'll see a panel of templates that are already set up for Pinterest. These templates are pre-designed layouts with text, images, and colors that you can fully customize for your own brand or content. From here, you can scroll through the template options, hover over any design to get a better look, and click one to apply it to your blank page. After selecting a template, you can replace the placeholder images with your own photos or graphics, change the text to match your message, and adjust fonts and colors so they align with your branding. Remember to keep your text large and readable, since Pinterest users often view pins on mobile devices. When you're happy with your design, you'll be ready to download it in a high-quality format and upload it directly to Pinterest with your title, description, and link. That's all it takes to get started using Canva templates for Pinterest pins.